Welcome to our channel. Accessing news content on Fire Stick is easy with numerous free and legal apps available. Follow these step-by-step instructions for comprehensive news coverage. Step 1. Download ABC News, CBS News, and NBC News apps from the Amazon App Store. All offer free live news streams 24/7. Step 2. Install CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC apps for cable news coverage. Some content is free, while full access may require cable authentication. Step 3. Try News On for local news from stations across the United States. It's completely free with live streams and recent broadcasts. Step 4. Download international news apps like BBC News, France 24, or Deutsche Welle for global perspectives on world events. Step 5. Install Haystack News for a personalized news experience that aggregates content from multiple sources based on your interests. Step 6. Try Newsy for ad-supported news coverage that focuses on in-depth reporting and explanatory journalism. Step 7. Use YouTube to follow news channels and independent journalists for additional perspectives and breaking news coverage. Step 8. For financial news, download Bloomberg, CNBC, or Yahoo Finance apps. These offer market coverage and business news. Avoid apps claiming to unlock premium news channels for free, as legitimate news apps are already free or require cable login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.